Asibingelele ubaba uDokotela baba sizobojabula umfana omuhle njengekhehlelo lona umzulu amancinisa ngesisuli futhi angixolisi. Namhlanje sine topic ethi silwa nabathakathi, we're fighting the wizards. Wizards are ruling the space, ruling the communities. We need to fight them but hard. Fight them hard. Yeah. Yazi bakithi lana, I just want to ask you something. Ake ngibuze nje, leave alone imali. Ngoba phela bazi ukuthi kuhleze khuluma ngemali enyangeni, no, leave alone imali. Yini wena nje ongafisa ukuthi uyizwe ishiwo nje kwi-channel ongakufisa ukuthi baba Dokotela ngaze ngibuze ukukhuluma ngale. Last thing that makes people forget about stress nje, I need people ukuthi bake basho ukuthi yini baba Dokotela ongakuyisho ngoba siyayidinga into engake yenze umuntu akakhohlwe nje stress, khohlwe nje stress nje abe happy, akhohlwe izinto eziningi, because angifuni ukukhuluma ngama jokes kakhulu. Ngifuna ukukhuluma ngama jokes because jokes are something else. Because even ama comedy ethu, they're no longer comedies. They are no longer. Bona ama comedy ethu uthi uma ubuka comedy fanele uthi udlala rewind kwenye cassette. Waqela ukubuka i-jungle action movie, i-movie nje sehlathini, action movie emasosha engenayo ilokhu isilwane sovuka khona bla bla bla. I-movie yokugcina mina baba Dokotela ngayibuka, i-action movie yangempela. It was Tears of the Sun. It was a last standing because ayikho movie asebeyakhile esabona baba Dokotela that better than that. Nayo ke comedy, uma comedians ethu what we are noticing now, we like them a lot. Believe you me, we like them, but they quickly run out of sugar. They start to recycle ama jokes. Uthatha kulo uyayizwa usekhulunywa lo same jokes they show lot, and they are just recycling, revolving. And we need something better. Ngeke ngabuka ama comedy shows ka Simpiwe Shembe 9 years ago. They're just on fire. They're on fire. Ngabuka ka Felix now futhi 9 years ago eseyintwana nje senomzimba omncane akabe serious. Uyena ke osayibambile ukuthi ama jokes akhe akawa recycle. Usempiwe futhi akawa recycle beswabo, but mesibuka nje last standing a comedian esingakabi naye ezobitha leya Tata Studla. Ngeke zenima Tata Studla nina ndafishana. Tata Studla was a comedian around 1980 to 1988 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, Tata Studla sasimbuka kakhulu. Those were comedians. Kuzoba uStumo. Those were comedians. Or those asibabona ku TV. Ngeke ngize ngisho laba ngoba sibabona ku TV abawona ama comedians, but we need comedies or ama jokes emebesitshela wona make us laugh. Ungabi into abayi recyclayo, yabo. Mina ngithanda ukuthi mengisho ijoke kumuntu ngisho ijoke engazi ukuthi akazayizwe ndawo. That will make a person laugh, yabo. Make a person laugh. The reason why I do that, because abantu ababuka ama channel ezinyanga, they're so desperate, they're wanting something esobasiza bawini lotho bawini logo stress. But now when you crack a joke uyalibala kancane ntathu ukuthi nje opium aphinde futhi ke abe umuntu. Kodwa nje we need ama comedians ethu ukuthi they must study that, ukuthi bazibuza ukuthi aba recycle nama jokes into asitshela yona ehlekisayo ayizange ihlekise yini kwenye, yabo. Kunama jokes amaningi otholotho ba recycle ngesikhathi isholo. Yeah, kodwa ke angeke ngisho lutho ngoba abantu bazongihleka bazothi na baba Dokotela usahlekisi bla bla. Mina vese angihlekisa, angaze ngihlekise nje vese, angaze ngihlekisa, angifuni futhi into okuhlekisa ngoba nje ayikho into engayisho ngawo, yabo. Nje bayini usupport iPirates nje wazona wasigama kebhola sakebhola amazinyo acisha atakebhola amazinyo endoda angisho nje. Yeah, ngoba phela umuntu wePirates ubona ngeke ngeyigebhe uthi oh iPirates ngempela wagebhe amazinyo endoda. Kodwa ke angisho lutho anophayile ngicela ngangishaya ngoba kuzoze kudile nawe nomqalo omuntu sakathi off ramp ka highway ufika kuqala entweni ngoba yini umqala wakho mude angisho lutho nje ngisho lutho kodwa ngithi hey akeni sihlekiseni nani nisitshele enye into nje nisitshele enye into ehlukile not ijoke endala siyazi ake siphumeni lapho #sicela ukuthi comedy ibuye KZN but kubuyise into angempela not ukuthi sizozwa into kade sizwe kwindawo ijoke enenhlamba oh my goodness kulama comedy zethu banenhlamba abanye mebezenzela icomedy bakufika bagcona abantu stage ugcona iclient lakho elikhokhela imali ukuthi ube stage uhlekiswe nozogcona lona uthothi umuntu umi nawe nje phela u5 minutes nje deala nawe nje wedwa kanjalo I don't know just babudokotela I don't know ngoba ngesikhathi ngathi eqeda ngabe ngisoma ngibe ngihamba then because I will never tolerate something like that ake sibuke lento le wazeni ngalento ekuthiwa sinabantu lana ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi wazini ngabantu abathi umuthi bona usebenza athi nje hayi babudokotela mina umuthi awusebenzi sengisebenzisa into eziningi uyazi kunomuthi othi uma wakhiwa umavula kuvaliwe kakhulukazi lo amuthi lo umuzo wakha owakhela umuntu sona abantu abama jokes mhlawumbe bekhona ngishilo 30 minutes but bengitshela iqiniso ukuthi niyawa recycle ama jokes it's fine but I'm sorry to tell you the truth in a right way into engifuna ukuyisho ke ilena ukuthi sinabantu ngathini abathi umuthi awusebenzi nje kubona at all lo muntu ufuna uthola umavula kuvaliwe umese uthathe kancane into kamabhebeza into nje encane umixe nawo uma usiyamcaba lo muntu le nto uma umuntu ecatshwe ngomabhebeza ukuthi uyasebenza umuthi kuyena noma usebenza umuthi that day uyasebenza umuthi kuyena uyasebenza ngoba uyathired abantu abavalwe ngomuthi bevalwe ngawo umuthi bese kuthiwa umuthi futhi okwazi ubasiza kodwa uyakwazi ubavala because izinto eziningi esiyizona namhlanje zenziwe ngumuthi ukuthi sibe ilento esiyiyona singathandeki lento induna ilento kulana nesilwane lento ukusebenzisa umuntu ukuvaleka komuntu ukusebenzisa umuntu hayi umthandazo sengona umthandazo kusengisona isiwasho kusekuwumuthi ngalondlela ke kuzophoqa nathi ukuthi sinifundise ukuthi mina umuntu befika kumina enentsolo zokuthi hayi umuntu osenza kumina ngiyamnika ngithi hamba ucaba amalunga akho la ngalamafutha kamabhebeza hamba ucaba nalomuthi unamafutha kamabhebeza hamba ucabe ngaleyo nto leyo kwenzekeni uvuleke usebenza umuthi kuyena umuntu ngizonika i-case breaker disclaimer do not do crime I repeat ngizonika i-case breaker because I don't want people to do crime because bethemba ukuthi khona kunamacala ambula ingubo angene okade ungawalindele ukuthi angenzeka lo macala lawo they need us ukuthi sisizeke kuloko ngoba uma uzokwakhelwa i-case breaker ziningi into esizidinga number 1 I needed you to buy i-padlock enkulu I would like you to buy indwangu emnyama e1 meter uze babudode lake I want you to buy an egg I want you to buy half liter of coke mase ngikwakhela ke i-case breaker mesikhuluma nge-case breaker asikhulumi ngento eyodwa ukuthi uzokhuluma ngento ene monologue wenza into kuphela no case breaker is something else but with disclaimer do not do crime because uthemba ukuthi sokunika ke i-case breaker ake singene kulento angifuni ukwenza ivideo ende this time ngifuna ukuthi ke sikhulume lento esibiza ukuthi silwa nabathakathi inyathelo labathakathi kwinyathelo labathakathi sikunika lona ngo-1000 rand as little as 1000 rand into engiyifunayo kuwena when u-order inyathelo labathakathi akube irresponsibility yakho ukuthi uhambe uyongifunela inhlabathi la kuvukuze khona imvukuzane lapho nje kuvukuze khona imvukuzane thola lo nhlabathi yakhona ke leyo lento uma usufika uyihlanganise lenyathelo uyifake emanzini aw 10 liter uchele ngaye ekhaya umuntu osuke enyathele lapho consider him dead ukugula kwakhe akazosinda nawe futhi ungangifonela uthi izuma ikusana ungagula usibara kanti bengazi ukuthi yena uthatha nama ngingazi ngizomsiza kanjani inyathelo wena bese kuzoba khona inyathelo elihamba nomabhebezo omnyama umabhebezo omnyama ufika kwena ungamabhodlela awu4 mesikhuluma ngomabhebezo omnyama ufika kwena ungamabhodlela awu4 kanje lamabhodlela awekho normal uma usuwabuka phakathi kunezinalithi ezifakwe la phakathi kulamabhodlela lawo kufika nalamabhodlela umabhebezo omnyama osuke uwona ke uzosebenza njengesibethelo njengesikhonkwane. Can I repeat that? Umabhebezo omnyama kuwena uzofika usebenza njengesibethelo njengesikhonkwane ikakhulukazi abantu bathi bayantshontshelwa uma sekunika ke lo khombo leyo isuke kuyinyathelo liza nomabhebezo omnyama mase uba ne-3,500 rand kuloko angazi noma kuyayenza isense lo kodwa umuthi ufuna lokho kuphela still uzokhokha 3,500 ngoba kumandatory ukuthi kuze nenyathelo ukuthi wena uzolisebenzisa inyathelo noma uzolisebenzisa hayi I'm not forcing you to ulisebenzise but asikwazi ukuhlukanisa futhi unless inene nizokhuluma nodwa eceleni athi umuntu ayasihlanza imali sizokwazi ukuthola lokho kulungile sizodezela ke lokho kodwa nje umuthi nje ufuna nje inyathelo ikhombo yakhona ihamba nomabhebezo omnyama usuke uzoba nemali kango 3,500 ya ngicabanga ukuthi ke ngoba lento yethu ukuthi thina zinyanga singasi-up standard kodwa abathakathi bebesikhuphula there is something wrong there. There's something we have to be serious the way they are serious abathakathi they are not made us to make us handsome or beautiful or likable but they make us to make impilo zibe miserable nathi ke funa sibe rude and very radical kubona and very brutal singenzi into ezobajabulisa or abazophinda bacabanga ukwenza okunye. Yeah, this is Babu Dotela. This is Bojabela. I did say that I want to make this video very short, as much copy short. This is Babu Dotela. Siyabonga. Goodbye.